We chose LP SmartSide as our go-to siding option just because of the durability of it. It's manufactured in a way that this actually starts out about 5 inches thick and then it's compressed down to about a 1/2 inch thick. So the way that it works, it just makes it a super dense, solid product, and it's got up to a 50-year warranty on it. It withstands impacts from hail really well, and it's just a really versatile product for us. I mean, to call this plywood or OSB, although it does look like it, it's definitely a major understatement. This stuff is a super dense, hard product, and it's treated with things that allow it to withstand water, decay from water or mold, rot, resist insects, things like that. So it's just treated with a lot of different things that traditional OSB is not treated with. So although it looks like OSB on the backside, that's a major understatement to just call it OSB. This is going to be a little bit more expensive than vinyl siding, but you're going to get your money back over the long term because it withstands hail so much better. So if we get a hailstorm, you're not going to have to replace it shortly after the hailstorm. It's got up to a 50-year warranty on it. That covers the finish as well. So it's not going to fade out as the sun is baking against it, and it's going to withstand anything that Mother Nature can throw at it. This stuff is a similar product to James Hardie, just in the sense that it's a lap siding with a wood grain texture on it, but that's kind of where the similarities end. This is an engineered wood product instead of fiber cement, so it makes it much more durable. These come in 16-foot long panels, where James Hardie, I believe, is like a 12-foot or a 10-foot long panel. So it's easier and faster to install. You don't have quite as many seams because you've got a 16-foot piece instead of a shorter piece. There is no dangerous dust that you've got to worry about not inhaling when you're installing it, because it cuts just like wood. The byproduct of it is sawdust just like wood, and it's just a much harder product. If you were to take a 16-foot piece of SmartSide and hold it in the middle, although it's going to bow, it's not going to break. If you take a piece of Hardie siding and you hold it in the middle, it's going to snap in half. Also, it's just a much more durable product. If you were to take this and a piece of Hardie and you drop them both on a concrete floor, the Hardie is going to shatter like glass in most instances. So this is a much more durable product, and it's meant to withstand the elements around here in this area. The life expectancy of this is just like any other product. Ultimately, it depends on whether it was installed right the first time. It depends on whether it was maintained properly after it's installed. But you can expect many, many years out of this product. It actually has up to a 50-year warranty on the product itself from the manufacturer. And then there's also an additional warranty that covers the finish. So this stuff is going to withstand Mother Nature for many, many years. Well, we use both around here. I mean, Diamond Coat is the bigger of the pre-finishers in this area. It's actually taken from SmartSide in a primed state, and then it's pre-finished just over on the east side of Rapid City at a plant out there. And Diamond Coat's the bigger one around here, but there are various other pre-finishers that we can get if you don't like the color options that Diamond Coat has. LP Expert Finish is a new one that they just came out with that actually has some finger joints in it that allows you to eliminate the seams being so noticeable, and that one's also a great product to install.